Eh, sanibona, nginibingelele kwenye ividiyo umina enhle okhulumayo. Namhlanje ngifikelwe ngike ngisho ukuthi ukufikela kodwa ukubona ever since kwanalento le ngizothanda ukuthinta nje lento le. Ever since kwanale clip e-circulate-ayo on the internet, there's been ilokhu nje emva kwalokho i-outrage from abantu besifazane to abantu besilisa njengoba ngiseke-ke ngakhuluma ngayo. Engisanda kuyibona ile kukhulunywa nge-potential. So ukhona umculi kade ethi, "Eyi, benginomngani okade ngikhuluma naye oyi-female and then umngani was like kumina, eyi, at least kumele ukwazi ukunginika u-500,000 a month mesijola noma iyona imali efanele unginike yona leyo. I don't know a month noma i-weekly. So 500,000 is 500,000. Noma-ke untombazane angeke afune u-500,000 directly but uzofuna u-300,000 kanje per month kanje." So the guy is explaining why untombazane esho njalo. Why untombazane esho njalo. So the guy is like, ngiyamuzwa, ngiyam-understand-a in a way because she lives in a mansion, she stays in a mansion. Udrive imoto zakhe eyibizayo uyayi-afford-a yena. So it makes sense for her ukuthi afune ukudeyitha up basically, ukudeyitha up. It's called ukudeyitha up. So the guy is like, lo mculi lo is like, hayi ngeke nami ngivele ngiyabona ukuthi angeke, this is too much even for me. I-climate esesiphila kuyona as amajitha, as ama-males isi-tricky kakhulu because kuthiwa yini, isi-monetary based kakhulu. It's monetary based kakhulu than before. I believe before, not ukuthi umuntu useke wa-exista in the past. I believe ukuthi before noma ngikhula, it was more of like, can you provide in as a guy? Noma as indoda, can you provide in? By providing, I mean, can you cover ama-needs endlu, be it you are ushadelwe, as umuntu wesilisa ushadelwe. Ama-basic needs, be it unengane. By basic, I mean, uyakwazi ukukhokhela i-school fees, whether it's i-school fees esiselokishini noma i-school fees eskephi, but if ever i-school fees sizo-require ilokhunja imali, like, are you able to pay for i-school fees yini? Are you able to make sure ukuthi ingane mhlampe inama-shirts awu-5 yini, inama-jezi awu-5 esikoleni, inamabhulukwe awu-5 to last ingane a week? Are you able ukuthi mhlampe mekuwu-December to buy ingubo za-Christmas ezi-proper? Are you able to buy stationery? Are you able to make sure ukuthi there's food and the lights are on endlini? Are you able to ukuthi mhlampe once in 2 weeks noma maybe once a month or twice a month or thrice a month sithi siya out as i-family? Are you able to take us out in? Do we have food in njoba ngishilo? I just feel like those were the basic requirements before in terms of ilokhunja imali. I think those were the basic requirements before. So into esiyenzeka is I just feel like ilokhunja i-scale has tilted. I-scale has tilted to a point whereby us as men sesilokhunja, we reside under the kidney table, while abantu besifazane they reside over close to the head or ekhanda, in terms of ilokhunja imisebenzi, and in terms of ilokhunja ama-better pay. I feel like ama-females they earn better than males kulesikhathi samanje. I'm not saying ukuthi i-fault ama-females leyo, no it's not. They also drive expensive cars than men. Nalokho futhi angisho ukuthi i-fault yabo lokho, but I just feel like i-scale njengoba usho ukuthi sesiphenduliwe manje, sekubantu besifazane who have more power financially than us guys. And you also find ukuthi ithina futhi as guys, because now we have ama-blessers and stuff, ithina as guys esiphinde sikwazi ukuba lokhunja ukubabhorha sibaphushe sibanike enye imali eceleni because you find ukuthi i-female is earning like u-15,000 but she can drive lokhunja imoto ka-9,000 and then thina as guys would be like hawu ngeke mfethu it's a lot for mina it's a lot uthole ukuthi she pays u-9,000 for imoto kuloyo 15,000 loyo and at the same time indawo ahlala kuyona urentelo umuntu wakhe yabo ukuthi-ke umuntu wakhe uyi-blesser umuntu wakhe uwu-sugar daddy umuntu wakhe uyilabantu bangaphandle laba bako-Nigeria like akukho-ke important lokho but ekugcineni umuntu wakhe. So you find ukuthi they drive imoto ezi-expensive not bonke abanye babo but okay baningi i-source of income angiyibeki kanjalo. That's why I always tell amajita ngithi as guys it's very important for us to have more than one source of income because i-salary is not enough. Ayikho enough kule climate esiphila kuyona. So you find ukuthi abantu besifazane they are like sithi ngihlala kwi-mansion, I drive my own car, I can afford myself, then nigga, you need to give like 500,000 and then we're gonna be like, imali gaga. It's a lot vele because naleyo nto leyo isidefeatha i-purpose yelokhunja i-structure or the meaning behind a-relationship and building. Siyazi ukuthi ithina vele as the guys who are supposed to be ama-providers but kulesikhathi samanje njengoba ngisho ukuthi izinto seyishintshile so you find ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uzenzela yonke into uzenzela yonke into once-ke wazenzela yonke into abanye babo they tend to not respect you as a guy if ever you earn less than bona they tend to not respect you as a guy. You usually get some cases like this weekend uLesingak namhlanje shembe I think it's Thursday today. Uzothola i-call on Thursday manje. Ithi i-call I just wanted to alert you ukuthi angikho this weekend. I'm going out with my girls. I-girls trip. We are going out. Into evele yenzeka nje. There's nothing wrong with umuntu oyi-affordayo, oyi-provide-elayo. But futhi at the same time there's everything wrong with how lo muntu leyo tends to behave once eseyazi ukuthi noma wa-realize ukuthi she earns more than wena because awulahlekelwa yilutho if ever we're gonna have a conversation and then be like yazi ukuthi ama-girls abeplane i-trip but because it's lokhunja khona igama lesingisilele like it was a last minute thing abangitshele ngayo noma engikhumbule ngayo. Is it okay if I go? Noma ngicela ukuhamba. Bayocela ukuhamba be ithi sesafa sifindo or not. Like it shows a level of respect. I think omunye umuntu ubuka le video ngathi ukhuluma kanjena because you feel like umuntu wesifazane njengoba ezenzela yena so akufanele kube inkinga leyo. We need to understand into eyodwa. Okay. Imali ayikubeki ukudla etafuleni. I mean uthando alikubeki ukudla etafuleni. At the same time futhi imali doesn't determine i-success ye-relationship. Doesn't. What does is i-respect. Unganemali engakanani ekugcineni imali can never go kini elokhunja emasangweni iyokulobola. Ayisoze yakwenza lokho. So ipoint lami lisekutheni ilokhunja umuntu wesifazane ozenzelayo there is nothing wrong ngaye but in most cases you find ukuthi abanye babo bayisebenzisa-ke leyo nto leyo ngendlela e-wrong. Ngiphinde ngabona futhi omunye untombazane was like I was dating this guy sengiyayisola manje u-right we dated for 5 years and then kwahamba ngakhuphuka emsebenzini position wise nga-realize ukuthi akasaseyona i-type yami because i-potential yakhe ayi-unlock-eki i-potential yakho guy ayi-unlock-eki then I decided ukuthi okay no angihambe. I recently had a conversation with omunye untombazana. Mesona conversation lena, I'm like, umdisa wakho awusamthandi, like your boyfriend awusamthandi. Why? Usephelelwe time frame is time frame. Intwazana was like, what do you mean is time frame? And I'm like, abantu besifazane anganoma ngizothi subconsciously yini bake basinike i-time frame. Okay, you meet me now uMinenhle and then be like, okay, I like this guy. Mase usuhleli naye, you realize ukuthi okay, no, lo guy une-potential, lo guy ufisa ukwenza u-A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. So because ufuna ukwenza lokho, lento yakhe ngiyayibona ukuthi iyakephi, and I kind of like this guy. So us date, it's fine. And then misdate along the way, I'm not gonna stop vele speaking about it. Okay, no, like bra ngifuna ukwenza 1, 2, 3 na. I'm trying to do events. I'm trying to do lokhu. And then 3 years uphela. And then ugel is like engathi lento ayisenzeki yabo. Kuphele omunye 2 years, right? And then say kuya ku5 years. And then one day I decided, okay, no, this relationship is not working for me. Ngiphuma kanje. Abanye they do not tell you ukuthi ngiphuma because of A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Abanye they do tell you, njengala ntombazana wenza ivideo on Twitter wathi ngihambile because i-potential yagayi ayi-unlockeki. So nama bengitshela intwana yangu ngoba ngithi I think ushawaye lokho. And then intwazana was like, wazi ngani? And I'm like, ngishayekile mina bra, I've been around. I have been around. I have been around. I have been around and I have been i-victim ye-potential enga-unlockeki. I have been leyo victim leyo in a sense yokuthi nami nganikwa umnyaka because angithi phela mesishela intombazane ishelwa ngamanga kaZulu. Like we lie, basically we lie. Siqamba amanga. Like you sell yourself. Yabo, like imarket, sukuyimarketha, like we advertise. You just go there and then be like, okay, mina, hi, igama lami nguMinenhle, grew up in Hammersdale, and then later I moved to Durban, then later I moved to PNB because of work. Well, I'm the type of person othanda ukwenza ukuthi I've been doing this, but ke lento ayenzeki, but I believe ukuthi if ever ngizoyenza kanje, it's gonna be doable, yabo. So I just need ilokho nje isikhathi to just focus on lento le nani yabo. So for now, angikho mandla kakhulu kuma-relationships because I am still working on myself. I am still working on myself. I believe ukuthi ngine-potential kakhulu. And then ugel uzothi mase sehambile ahlale phansi abuke ukuthi hawu this guy une-direction. This guy une-direction. And then ugel uzobuya futhi yabo. And then like, how busy? Can I see you and stuff? Oh, can we meet up? And then I'm like, okay, no, we can meet up, yabo. And then siyabuild, yabo, we build the relationship. We build the relationship by speaking, by talking, yabo. Ukuthi achaze izinto angayithandi kuma-previous relationships akhe, iziphi izinto ezingahambanga kahle, wayefisa kwenzeke kanjani. And then nami I say mine, yabo. Siyakha la, we build a relationship, sibuilda. And then enye into leads to another, and then we start dating. Mase sidate bese nginika leyo 5 years loyo or 4 years or 3 years. Kuthi okay, by this time Minenhle is supposed to have unlocked the potential yakho la. And ugel uzokusupporta. She can support you financially, or she can listen to you, or she can be there for you whenever usaphanda or usaholaza indlela thile, yabo. And then masebona ukuthi okay, lento ayindawo lena, uzophuma vele because usebonile ukuthi okay, as much as une-potential kodwa ngeke i-relationship iyise ndawo, ngeke yena ilokho nje imise ndawo because ukuthi ngizokwenza ukuthi nani ungakwenzi, hayi, umlomo ngelakithi ulimi uyalithenga ibhanoyi. So I'm saying all this to say amajita amaningi they fall victim to ilokho nje, they unlocking of i-potential because basuke bengazi uyifundela kwezakho. Because nami that's why ngihlezi ukuthi ngithi mina kena I will never say ukuthi i-ex yami was the problem. She was not because ngabona sengiseparateile naye ukuthi oh okay, one of the contributing factors wazi ukuthi i-potential yami ithatha kude, and it did vele ukuthi ithatha kude. Nanamanje isathatha kude. So I can never go around or be online and then be like, wenza ukuthi ngokuyi-fault yakhe. No, ziningi izinto ayibona, and one of those things i-potential. I do have a potential, but ayi-unlock-eki ngesikhathi. Into ebuhlungu-ke iba lapho-ke ukuthi ayi-unlock-eki ngesikhathi. Lento ibuke like ukuthatha umuntu umgqokise, umhlambe, umgeze, umenze abukeke kangcono ngaphandle kubantu, and then later you realize ukuthi hayi ngeke kuthatha kude, and then you move on, and then later example nje, and then later avele ashaya ilotho, avele awine ilotho. Mewina ilotho, uyiwina ilotho mhlampe after 2 years nihlukene naye, yabo, and mase wina ilotho lena usuyamfollowa on socials nani nani, noma usenemali, usenesipani esi-right, and then uyabona ukuthi okay, no, this person i-most of ama-characteristics asenawo, ama-characteristics lawa engangimfisa ukuthi abe nawo, ile zinto lezi engangikhuluma naye esacathula, but manje usiyazenza, and kuba buhlungu because leyo potential yonke leyo isizowela kulo muntu ozofika. Kukhona abantu-ke empilweni abanenhlanhla, ufike uxakeke nje like half of your life, la seyicala ukupopha khona izinto, avele umuntu empilweni yakhe aqhamuke, noma aqhamuke umuntu and then a week later bese izinto ziyapopha kuwena. Khona abantu abanonyawo oluhle, mase kukhona abantu oshizila nabo for years nize nihlukane nabo, bengayiboni like the fruit of your labor. So in conclusion nje engingakusho ukuthi lento ye-potential ngiyayi-understand-a, and nami personally I do not wanna date umuntu, example olokhethi ngizovula i-salon but asiyivuli i-salon, kodwa every weekend uyakwazi ukuthi ahambe athi kune-girls trip, athi hayi sisahamba nabangani bami saye eMavuso, example, saye ekhaya elikhulu, yabo. I cannot, umuntu kanjalo, even nami for mina, 'cause sengifundile ngabona kangcono, so I cannot take loyo muntu serious loyo. So if ever nawe as a guy you fell under the potential machine, ayikho inkinga, rebuild yourself, and also nalo ntombazane othi yena ufuna umuntu at least ozom-afforda, it's okay. Ufuna umuntu ozoku-afforda, it's okay. Sonke phela njengoba siphila lana sinelokhunja, sinalento esingise kuthiwa ama-preferences ethu, sinezinto esiy'thandayo, sinezinto esiy'fisayo ukuthi abantu bethu babe nazo, sinezinto esifisa ngathi abantu esihlangana nabo benganazo. Njengoba i-most yamajita they are always like, angimfuni umuntu onengane. Namanye amajita awamfuni umuntu onengane. Some they do not mind umuntu onengane. Amanye amantombazane they funa umuntu who drives a Polo TSI. Amanye afuna udriver a normal car from iPolo, ithi iMazda noma yini. Abanye bafuna o-Range Rover, like wonke umuntu is allowed to have i-preference yakhe. But-ke amantombazane methi afuna umuntu kanje, afuna iblesser, kulula for us guys to point fingers sibajaje and say vele nina nokuthi. No, nathi we have our own standards. Nathi sinawo ama-standards ethu. So I am no longer in the game of judging abantu because abantu bathi bafunani. The same goes for umuntu whoever once dated me wathi okay, because of ABC ngiyaphuma lana, unezizathu zakhe lowo muntu loyo, because akukho phela right ukuhlala endaweni la ungasekho happy khona usuwenzela omunye umuntu, because of ekuseni we feel drained, unqena ngisho ukufona because usuhleli la, because usudlalele yena ukuthi akulokhunja abe happy. Emjolweni nje in general asikweletani lutho nje ngempela, asikweletani lutho. So nalo girl lo ofuna u-500,000, because uma nginawo mina u-500,000, mina anginawo u-500,000, ngidate umuntu ongenza ngifile whole, ngifile whole, ngiphelele, okwaziyo ukukhava izinto engiy'dingayo to take care of my kid the day I would have a kid, because anginayo ingane manje. Umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi mengakho umuzi angene endlini and then be like ngibuye naleli khabethe because I just felt like lizomesha ikhethini yabo, lizomesha the walls and stuff yabo. Once nomuntu kanjalo who's gonna respect ugogo noma ogogo bami because mina nginogogo abaningi, who's gonna respect ogogo, who's gonna respect mina, who's gonna respect isintu, the beliefs I have. Umuntu wesifazane ozongenza ngifile 10 times better as a man noma ngingaphuma la ngazi kahle ukuthi okay, I am proud because I am dating usibanibani. Ngingakwenza konke lokho, ngingamnika imali ayidingayo, ngingamnika imali ayidingayo because ngabe ngazi kahle ukuthi leyo mali leyo ayiyi ukuyophuzwa eCubana, akiyi ukuyothwega ngaleyo mali leyo, but instead ngiyazi ngizobuya sekukhona into entsha endlini ekade ngingayazi. Ngizobuya sekukhona enye into endlini ezobhenefithisa nami. Once wathola umuntu obambisana naye ungamnika loyo $500,000 loyo, inkinga nje ngeke ize ibe khona, ngeke nje ize ibe khona. So abantu abangajajani, again ngiphinde ngisho ngithi happy Valentine's mhla 14, they said it's on Friday, it's on Friday mhla ka-14 happy Valentine's. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe-a, uku-like-a, ukushera nokukhomenta nje. Ngiyabonga.